Court in Eileen Photography versus Wilcock stated that there's a price to pay for Elaine's faith, and that involves compromising their beliefs. Redefining marriage is at odds with religious freedom, and we see more and more that those who believe in marriage are politically, culturally, and legally persecuted for those beliefs. I ask specifically those of you pastors in this room, or maybe I should say those photographers of you in this room, what are you going to do when this issue is brought to your doorstep? This is an issue that is not as simple as we would like to believe that it is. I appreciate, Mr. Chairman, that some people have been thinking about this for a very long period of time. I am very disappointed that our clerk chose not to enlighten the board on his decision. I am very disappointed that our county clerk chose to ambush the situation, to have people aware of his decision that were not on the county clerk. Learning from the media about what your county is doing as a member of the county commission is never appropriate. Waiting until the very day that our legal counsel goes on vacation is interesting, to say the least. This is an issue that needs debate and should not be rushed into. This is an issue that needs to be heard from more people than those who are able to take an excuse from their work for the day. This came up Friday at 4 o'clock sometime by the time it was put on the agenda. There are many people who I'm sure wish they could be here today to discuss this issue, but were not able to make the arrangements with their employer or with other commitments that they have. I believe that it's foolhardy for us to rush into such an important legal decision without additional input, without taking the time to carefully consider the actions that we are intending to take today. As to the comment about federal benefits, I hope that nobody is under the impression that the action we do today will have anything to do with federal benefits, because it won't. This is a simple resolution from a county commission. This will not have any bearing on federal benefits. This is a very, very difficult issue, and I have family members. I have an uncle who is gay. I have a cousin who's a lesbian. For people to think that just because I stand against something means that I don't understand those issues or have struggled with those issues is wrong. My argument here today is that we are a country based on laws. We have laws in place for a reason, and there are particular ways to go about changing those laws. I ask each one of my fellow commissioners to consider that, and as they take their vote here today, that they contact their state legislators and encourage them to bring this issue up, because that's very important. And for only one state representative or senator to have shown up today is very disappointing. This is an important issue, and every single one of us should be asking them to take it up, because it is putting the county clerk in a situation where he has to violate state law to do what he feels is right. This is something that should be addressed on the state level. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.